Ladies and gentlemen, I've just been handed the most magnificent news story, and I need you to stop everything that you're doing and listen.
Good evening, my name is Hernan Cortez, and alongside my co-anchorman, Pancho Villa, we'll be covering one of the hottest superfoods taking the world by storm, avocados.
That's right, Hernan. Avocados are so hot right now that they might even want to make you take your clothes off. And today we'll be partnering with Mission Produce, home of the world's finest avocado, to show the field to fork process. Let's go check it out.
This is where the journey begins. Avocados grow best in the area of sunny Southern California. They require from 40 up to 50 gallons of water per week, in addition to nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, so they can grow healthy. Avocado trees start bearing fruit at around years 3 to 4, and they reach full maturity at around years 5 to 6. Let's go see how the harvesting works.
This is no joke, people. Picking avocados is harder than you think. This is harder than trying to teach my dog how to speak Spanish. California avocado season runs from January to October, but Mission strategically sources fruit from Mexico, Peru, Chile, and all over the world to bring the freshest avocados to you guys. Now that the fruit is picked, let's take it out to the packing house. Let's go!
Here we are at CDS, abbreviation for Mission's Packing House in Oxnard, California, the world's second largest packing house in the world, with a footprint of 220,000 square feet.
So where's the largest packing house, Hernan?
Thanks for asking, Pancho. So the world's largest packing house is located in Chao, Peru, and it's also operated by Mission Produce.
Let's go see the magic that happens behind these walls. Come on.
As soon as the avocados arrive to CDS, they get a cold shower in a hydro cooler, with water so cold that even Santa Claus would want to bathe in it. Follow me to see the next steps. Then the fruit is transferred to cold places like this one, where it awaits to be put on the production line.
Here, bins get loaded and start the production line process. Avocados are then dumped onto rollers to remove any large debris. Avocados are then cleaned by using water and broad brushes to remove any excess dirt, then hand sorted. These conveyor belts separate avocados by weight and size. Finally, avocados are placed into customer-specific boxes before getting stacked and palletized and sent out for shipping and distribution.
Here, the avocados are staged and prepared for transportation and distribution to the closest retailer near you.
If you thought that was the end of the video, well, you're wrong. This is Mission Produce's corporate headquarters, where many teams like sales, marketing, and logistics come together to bring avocados to a market near you. And this is Mission Produce's core values. Fun, innovative, reliable, successful, and trustworthiness are just some of the key concepts that has made Mission Produce grow into a global company. Let's go check out what some of the employees are up to. Mission's core values is fun. What about your job is the most fun?
The part about my job that is most fun is that I never dread coming to work. Every single day I show up, I hang out with all my friends, we get our work done, we go hang out after work, we go surf, we go mountain biking, we do all these things inside and outside of work. It's never a dull moment here at Motion Produce. Also, we work with people all over the globe, hence the Beggy hat with our friends in Peru. Just love working with everybody from all over the world, China, Japan, Peru, Mexico, and it's always a good time here at Mission Produce.
There you go, guys. Mission Produce is an awesome place to work.
Mission Produce continues to raise the bar in the avocado industry when it comes to innovation. What do you think is the most innovative thing about your role at Mission?
Well, in my role, an area that I get to apply innovation to the most would be in the ripening rooms and the way in which we choose to apply technology into the features of the ripening rooms. In comparison to what we had even just 10, 15 years ago at some of our older locations, the rooms we use today are tremendously more technology capable and really provide us with innovation to get more supply out to the customer.
Keith, why wouldn't a politician be a good member of Mission Produce?
I don't know why.
Because they're about as reliable as a flat tire. So in your words, what makes Mission Produce a successful company?
So Mission Produce is what it is right now because of two main things. First thing is being at the right place at the right time. When Steve Barnard envisioned this company, he wasn't necessarily seeing the overall picture as to how vast it was going to be. He just saw a potential for something good to be done here in Oxnard, and he started this business with the Garcia brothers a long time ago, early 80s. So for that, he expanded and he ventured into Mexico so he could keep growing. So that's first part, being at the right place at the right time with the right team. Second part of it is talent, vision, and resources. Not only did Steve build a good team, but he made sure he kept bringing more talent. So right now, as you can tell, we're not only we're situated because of the success, but also because of the people driving that success for the company to be as good as it is right now. Steve is a visionary, and he makes sure that he acquires the right talent, the right people, such as yourself.
There you have it, folks. Awesome. So, when you make bowl of cereal in the morning, do you pour the cereal first or the milk first?
I definitely pour the cereal first.
Awesome. Now that's definitely someone you can trust. Well, there you have it, folks. From production, packaging, sales, and distribution, the teams here at Mission Produce work hard day and night to bring you the world's finest avocados. And although an avocado a day won't keep the doctor away, at least they'll taste good. With XYZ Studios, this is Pancho Villa checking out, and you stay classy, Mission Produce.
Started from the bottom, now we're here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team here. Started from the bottom, now we're here. Started from the bottom, now the